Tungaloy's relationship with the University of Wolverhampton started at the beginning of 2018, originally with the sponsor of the race team, but very quickly we established a very strong partnership with them. The university are very passionate about creating industry-ready students. Tungaloy are committed to supporting the university, ensuring the students have got access to the latest innovations, making sure they're constantly up to date with the latest tools that are on the market. What the university are looking for is to increase the level of collaboration with local industry.
We do run a concise manufacturing degree. It's been very, very successful. It's run for nearly 4 years now. The students there are part-time students, so they are employed. Their employers are looking to enhance their abilities, build their confidence. Right at the early stage, from day one, we want them to be interacting with companies.
We put pride in that we take students from the diverse range of backgrounds. We are getting tremendous support from our local industry, whether it's Tungaloy, whether it's Mercedes, whether it's Moog, UTC. And that's tremendous support that students are experiencing real life scenarios. We are very proud to share that our students' final destinations are the multinationals and high-spec companies.
It's important, the collaboration to improve employability is really, really important. Here, with the flexibility that we've built into our system and our courses, means that companies can come with real products and get the students to work on those products for them.
We at Telford Engineering Campus, we are very ambitious. We would like to offer our industry to come and join us to share the education of the next generation of engineers, use the facilities and give a tremendous experience to our forthcoming or new generation of engineers.